If you're not too sure of the benefits between soft lighting, field lighting, or Fresnel lighting, this video is for you. Hey everyone, I'm here with Barry of Ikan. Now Barry, one of the things we have yet to cover here at the 2018 NAB Show is lighting. We know that our content creators are very conscious of getting good lighting to produce high quality content. What do you have from Ikan that helps our viewers with their lighting needs?
Well, we have a couple of different things actually. We have what we call panel lights, as well as we have smaller, more Fresnel style lights. Basically the panel lights allow you to have three different types of panels, so to speak, that would give you as a kit. So if you want like a 2-point or a 3-point, it allows you to set up a couple of different lights if you're doing an interview, or if you're just shooting something that is like a general lighting type scenario. Those kits allow you to kind of set it up and make it look really nice. That's the idea. Now everything, obviously we want to all make it look nice, but the different lights that we have right here can really help you with that. Now, one of the things that some of these lights help you with, this one specifically is the MSB8. Now, the MSB8 will allow you to have soft light. Soft light is very wrapping. It's very flattering on skin tones and textures, so which is a great thing when you're doing interviews.
That's right, we're doing interviews, not cinematography, so that's more appropriate for interviews, much like what we're doing right here.
Yes, very much so. And what it does is basically it allows you to set that interview up, make that person look really good, and kind of go about what you need to do. And you can do it in a couple of different ways. Light is always a problem because you're dealing with lights overhead or lights coming in from a window. Well, these lights are bicolor. So a bicolor light allows you to match the daylight or match a lamp or something that may be coming on in your office. So that gives you that ability to match, which is very important, as well as it's bright enough to get light on the person. So if you've got to move those lights back or forward, however you need to make them look better, that's what you want to try to do. So this is a soft light right here, has a nice diffuser filter in front of it that allows it to be soft. The next light that we have, the MSB8, is more of a specular light.
So explain to our content creators the specular light.
Sure. A specular light means that it has little lenses on top of the LEDs that make it a little more harsh than the soft light. Shows the wrinkles a little bit more sometimes.
I don't know that our viewers and our creators want all those wrinkles shown, but there's got to be some benefit with that as well.
There is actually. With doing something like that, you're actually, if you're shooting a product or if you're shooting a service or something like that, that little bit harder light tends to show it off a little bit better. So this light can be used in an interview setting, but you would have to modify it with a diffuser to soften it up and let the folks look really good in front of camera. Yep. But it is a great light for if you're going to shoot something outside of just an interview, or just in the room trying to bring up an ambient overall brightness of the room.
I got it. Now, Barry, you've got one more light that you wanted to talk about. What's the difference? What's the benefit of a light like this?
So we're kind of moving into a different form factor. We've been with the panels. Now we're going to move into what I call more of a Fresnel/par light. And what that really means is it's a light that gives it a lot more focus or wide, depending on what you might need. So it comes with a couple of different lenses. One lens allows it to be 60 degrees. That means it's really wide. Or if it's 30-degree lens that you pop on there, it becomes really, really small. Now, the purpose for something like that, again, is for being able to shoot product or services, whatever you might be doing. But if you wanted to use it for, let's say, for instance, an interview, and have it be the backlight to kind of cut them out from the background, works really well for that. As well as it has some other uses too. You can kind of stick it and shoot, especially for product type situations. It works really well for giving just that little bit of highlight that you're looking for when you're trying to light that product. It's lightweight, it's easy to use. It's the SW50 is what we call it, and it's strictly a daylight light. But what we include with the SW50 is a small filter that's orange that will change it to that tungsten color temperature or the temperature of the lamps that might be in your house.
Cool. Now, all of these lights, they're available in the single light, obviously, but you've also talked about 3-point and multi-point lighting kits. So you have lighting kits available for all lines of these lights, right?
Yes, sir. We actually do a 2-point lighting kit as well as a 3-point lighting kit for all three of the fixtures we just spoke about. Typically, they can run anywhere from around $12.99 up to about $14.99, depending on the fixture that they're looking for.
And then I understand there's some NAB Show incentive pricing that's available for anyone who wants to buy product via the website. So tell me, where's the best place, speaking of the websites, where's the best place for our viewers to get information about these lights?
Oh, obviously you can always get information from us at Ikan at ikancorp.com or anywhere on the web that you're looking for from any reseller that we have.
That's excellent, Barry. I appreciate you walking me through these different types of lights, the benefits of each, and the use cases for our viewers. This was a great overview, and I thank you so much for sharing it with me.
Sure. Anytime.
So that was a great overview of the difference between the soft lights, the field lights, as well as the Fresnel lights. I will put links below to all 3 lighting kits from Ikan. Make sure, if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, subscribe to the FPPad YouTube channel. From the 2018 NAB Show, I'm Bill Winterberg.